Everyone likes to keep their kitchen clean, but they often miss cleaning a very important appliance. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about clean ventilation right after this. Outdoor concrete projects are quick and easy with Quikrete fast-setting concrete in the red bag. Whether you need to set a fence post, mailbox post, or deck footing, or even pour a backyard patio, Quikrete fast-setting concrete in the red bag makes it simple. To set a post, there's no mixing. Just pour the dry mix into the hole and add water. It sets hard in about 20 minutes and you're done. It's that fast and easy. Quikrete fast-setting concrete. Look for it in the red bag. When it comes time to clean the kitchen, it's no secret that the dishes, countertop, stove, and floors need to be on the cleaning list. But don't forget to look up at your range hood. Over time, fumes, particles, and smoke from cooking will lead to an unwanted layer of grime on the hood. Keeping the hood to your range clean and free from greasy buildup will keep the fan operating efficiently, but don't forget about cleaning the filter. A filter clogged with grease and grime will make the fan work even harder with less effect. For metal filters, soak them in hot soapy water. If you have a stubborn buildup, add a small amount of ammonia to the water. Charcoal filters, however, cannot be cleaned. When these filters don't remove smoke out of the air any longer, they must be replaced. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.